Today we will be studying one chapter of microeconomics, that is supply. So let us first understand what is the meaning of supply. Supply means it is the part of stock or total production of a commodity which is brought to the market for selling at a certain price within a given time period. प्रोड्यूसर मार्केट में जितना क्वांटिटी लाता है बेचने के लिए एक प्राइस पर within a time period, that quantity is termed as supply. Supply of a commodity depends on number of factors. जैसे पहला वाला प्राइस ऑफ द कमोडिटी, अगर कोई कमोडिटी का प्राइस बढ़ेगा तो डेफिनेटली सप्लाई विल राइज. तो फर्स्ट फैक्टर इज प्राइस ऑफ द कमोडिटी. द सेकेंड वन, द स्टेट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी. विद द एडवांसमेंट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, with the development of technology, a producer can produce more. So supply of the commodity rises. The third factor is prices of factors of production. When the prices of factor of production decline, the cost of production decline. With the fall in cost of production, the producer can produce more. प्राइस घटने से कमोडिटी का जो सप्लाई वो बढ़ जाता है. फोर्थ फैक्टर इज टैक्सेशन पॉलिसी. गवर्नमेंट इज इम्पोजिंग टैक्सेस ऑन द गुड प्रोड्यूस. व्हेन गवर्नमेंट इज इम्पोजिंग लेस टैक्सेस, द प्रोड्यूसर इज एनकरेज्ड टू प्रोड्यूस मोर. सो द फोर्थ फैक्टर इज टैक्सेशन पॉलिसी. एंड द फिफ्थ फैक्टर, price of related goods. Suppose rice and wheat, these two are related good. With the rise in price of rice, the supply of wheat will fall down. Because जब राइस का प्राइस बढ़ेगा, the producer want to produce more quantity of rice instead of wheat, so that the supply of wheat fall down even if the price of wheat remains constant. And the last factor is other factors like natural calamities. When there is natural calamities like drought, famine, earthquake, the supply of the commodity decline. So these are all about the factors affecting supply of a commodity. Next is here, we'll be discussing about the law of supply. Law of supply studies the relationship between price of a commodity and quantity of supply of a commodity. You see, law of supply establishes the relationship between price of a commodity and its quantity supply. The law states that with the rise in price, quantity supply of a commodity rises, and with the fall in price, the quantity supply of the commodity decreases. That means प्राइस एंड क्वांटिटी सप्लाई में एक डायरेक्ट रिलेशनशिप है. दिस लॉ कैन बी एक्सप्लेन विद द हेल्प ऑफ ए टेबल और शेड्यूल. आप टेबल में देख सकते हैं प्राइस ऑफ द कमोडिटीज इन रुपीज एंड क्वांटिटी सप्लाई ऑफ द कमोडिटी इन यूनिट्स. जब प्राइस 5 रुपीज़ है, सप्लाई इज 20 यूनिट्स. जब प्राइस फॉल किया 4 यूनिट हुआ, सप्लाई डिक्लाइंस 15 यूनिट. प्राइस डिक्लाइन किया 3 रुपीज़ हुआ, supply declines to 12 units of the commodity. Price declines to 2 rupees, you see supply decreases to 10 rupees. It means with the fall in price, the quantity supply of the commodity decreases. So the relationship between price and quantity supply are, the relationship is positive, direct. When this table will be presented in a graph, you find a graph that is upward sloping, positively sloped from left to right. In the figure you see SS is the supply curve. SS is the supply curve. The supply curve shows that at OP1 price, quantity supply is OQ1. At OP2 price, you see the quantity supply is OQ2. That means with the rise in price, quantity supply also rises. Similarly, when price will fall down, the quantity supply will fall down. That means there is a direct relationship between price of a commodity and its quantity supply. And this relationship between price and quantity supply is presented through law of supply. So this is all about your supply curve. Next important factor, points related to supply, is the concept of market supply. Supply may be individual supply or it may be market supply. Individual supply represents what is the quantity of a commodity supplied by an individual seller at a given price at a given time. But market supply represents the total quantity of a commodity supplied by all the sellers in the market at a given time and a given price. That means the sum of individual supply gives you market supply. Abhi you can see it in the table, how you can find the market supply. Suppose there are two firms, firm A, another is firm B. Suppose in the entire market there are two sellers, seller A and seller B. जब प्राइस 5 रुपया था, A was supplying 4 unit, B was supplying 6 unit. तो टोटल सप्लाई कितना हुआ? 4 plus 6, that is your 10 units. Similarly 4 rupees में A was supplying 3 unit, B was supplying 5 unit. दोनों को प्लस करो 8 unit. 8 unit is called as market supply. 3 rupees में A was supplying 2 unit, B was supplying 4. दोनों को प्लस करो 6 is the market supply. Similarly, at price 2, firm A was supplying 1 unit, B was supplying 3 unit. दोनों को प्लस करो 4 unit. So, the relationship between price of the commodity and the market supply, you see दिस रिलेशन इज ऑल्सो डायरेक्ट. अगर प्राइस फॉल किया, मार्केट सप्लाई फॉल किया. प्राइस बढ़ने से मार्केट सप्लाई बढ़ता है. सो देयर इज ए डायरेक्ट रिलेशनशिप. एंड द मार्केट सप्लाई इज द सम ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल सप्लाई. इंडिविजुअल सप्लाई को आप प्लस करोगे, you will be getting the market supply. And the schedule, if it will be represented through a table, through a graph, you will be getting the market curve, market supply curve. अभी डायग्राम में देखो, there are two form. The first one is supply curve of firm A. Second one is supply curve of firm B. Third one is market supply curve. The market supply curve can be derived with the horizontal combination of the individual supply curve. Individual supply curve को अगर horizontal हम लोग ऐड करेंगे तो you will be getting the market supply. Market supply is the sum of individual supply. So the horizontal combination of individual supply curve gives you market supply curve. So this is what you can derive the market supply curve from the individual supply curve. The shape of the market supply curve is also positively sloped. लेफ्ट टू राइट ये पॉजिटिवली स्लोप्ड है, अपवर्ड स्लोपिंग है. द अपवर्ड स्लोपिंग सप्लाई कर्व रिप्रेजेंट्स देयर इज ए डायरेक्ट रिलेशनशिप, देयर इज ए पॉजिटिव रिलेशनशिप between price of the commodity and its quantity supply. So this is all about the meaning of supply, factor affecting supply, law of supply, individual supply and